cabinets installations?
Great question.
Can just a regular Joe off the street do it, or should you hire somebody that actually knows what they're doing, who does it every day and day out?
Yes. So could a handyman or someone who works in construction and doesn't specialize in cabinets do it? Yes.
Yeah.
So someone could definitely do it. Now, in our company, we have a skilled team of installers who only focus on cabinetry installs. And that's the type of person I would look to for the installation of my personal cabinets. Here's why. Your handyman, who may be skilled, knows his way around tools and how to assemble and put together these types of things and maybe even install them, could get the job done. But there's a lot of detail that goes into installation that people don't think about. So alignment, making sure things are level, making sure the assembly of the cabinet was done properly so that when you put your heavy plates into them, the cabinet doesn't fall apart.
You don't want that.
You don't want to rush through those points in the process, and this is something that a skilled installer does, second nature already, whereas someone who's coming in and maybe hasn't worked with cabinets is going to do it for potentially the first time and could miss something here and there, and that could be
very critical.
Yes, it could be a big situation later on when you have, a cabinet that falls or something that doesn't go the right way.